Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.net and today let's check out a Windows Mini PC. So the model name is LIVA Z2 series Mini PC and it's from a company called ECS, which is known as Elite Group. So this is a mini PC which can be mounted to the back of your monitor or display and it can be used as a proper PC. So after unboxing the product, what you get is you get the mini PC itself. Then we have the mounting plate, we have some screws, we have the power charging adapter, power brick adapter. Then we have the power connector. So we don't have an HDMI cable included in that because you may get the HDMI cable inside with your TV or if the monitor you can connect that, but I would have liked if a HDMI cable would have been included. Now keeping all to the side, let's check out the actual mini PC itself. Now keeping everything aside, let's check out the mini PC itself. So you can see it's written LIVA. It's an HDMI, so we have a power button here, 3 USB Type-C port, a USB Type-C port, which is pretty good that we have a USB Type-C port because it's a current generation new PC. We have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Then to this side we have air vents. To the back side we have a power adapter slot. Then we have the regular VGA cable port. Then we have the HDMI. We have two USB 2.0 and an Ethernet cable slot. We have the air vent and the lock. So guys, some specifications of the LIVA Mini Z2 PC goes like Intel 5000 CPU series. Then we have 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, and with HDMI audio, HD audio, etc. So guys, that was up with today's video. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. That's the Trendy Blog. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net for more such cool reviews. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. We'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.